Welcome to Stock Macro's YouTube channel. In this video, we will analyze what happened today in the stock market and how are the global market trends, Nifty, Bank Nifty trend, and what will happen tomorrow. So, to know the target for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow, please watch the video completely. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Stock Macro's YouTube channel. So let's get into picture. Today, Nifty, Bank Nifty fell badly. If you see this is a snapshot for the market, and Sensex fell almost 788 points, Nifty fell 200 points, Bank Nifty fell 574 points. So at one point Bank Nifty was at 21 200, and from that level it fell to 2525. So what is the reason for today fall? Today fall was completely dependent on the global market. So global market started booking profits. Dow Jones from 27,700 day before day all time high to today is 26,200. It touched almost. So I'm talking about the futures. So even Asian markets falling 2%, and our markets were opened in plus. At one point opened in gap down, and it will immediately uh, uh, some buying we have seen. But uh, markets were eagerly waiting for the Supreme Court verdict. By the time verdict comes, market already fell. So it seems that the market were preparing for the fall, but first 15-20 till 10 o'clock the market tested the traders' patience who are on the short side, because the premiums were eating for the premiums, put side and call side, both side. But after 10 o'clock, 200 points fall came immediately in Bank Nifty. But at one point it touched to 2700, and then it went back to 2975. So this is called some up and downs, and those who bought puts definitely did not book profits, saw their profits gone again, came back to 25600 level, so giving bigger profits. So it was almost volatile day, very volatile day, because there was a tough fighting between going on between bulls and bears in India. Markets were actually yesterday evening, it's looked like that the markets were trying to break out, but global markets did not give any chance to our markets. So our markets are touched almost 21,800 last week, this week, and now today we are at Bank Nifty 2525. So Nifty also same, 10,271 was high in this week only, and today is Thursday, we are at 9,902. So we break almost psychological level of 10,000. So if you go and watch my previous videos, I was talking about the Bank Nifty will not hold these levels, because global markets already were topping out and we are not topping out. So today small cap index also have less in seen normal sell off, but the advances declines ratio, if you see, a complete sell side bears controlled the game. At one point market it's looked like that, we may not fall like global markets, but definitely we have very weak scenario. I will tell you why the markets fell today. One is derivative data. If you look at the derivative data I'm talking about, so as a trader we have to know derivative analysis. If you know derivative analysis only, you can trade Nifty options futures. Otherwise, if you know just news tips and everything, it will not work out as a trader. So how to make money in trading? First understand derivative data, what is the support, resistance, and where the markets are now. So I'm talking about the intermediate trend, long term trend. Okay, so right now, since last 2 weeks we have came from 8,800 to 9,000, 10,200. So 8,800 to 10,200, how many points? 1,500 points. At the same time, global this 1,500 points, why we have came from bottom to top? Because the US markets touched all time high, that is Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq even touched all time high, but we are not able to catch up at 8,800. So slowly we are also tried to catch up the global markets, but by the time we tried to enter into bulls, global market started falling. So that's why now we fell almost 300 points, but still uh, markets are looking from upside to downside. Did not able to complete recovery with the global markets. Okay, so now derivative data for the Bank Nifty is very weak. This means 0.72 put call ratio. That means uh, every every 100 calls were writing, but puts were writing by 70 only. So that means people are writing calls, means market will not go up. Okay, yeah. And if Bank Nifty is very flat, because today we have seen equilibrium in Nifty and Bank Nifty falling 2%. Okay, why? Because all Nifty stocks like banks and some FMCG stocks, mostly if we see what are the stocks which are holding Nifty this level as TCS, Infosys, okay, we have seen complete profit booking. Even Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, these are auto stocks also rally too much. Hero Motocorp, Bajaj Auto. See, so we are seeing some good profit booking. That's why Nifty is also started falling. Earlier, what used to happen is last 2 to 3 weeks, Bank Nifty used to fall 3%, Nifty used to fall 1% only. Okay, so Bank Nifty was very weak. Even Bank Nifty was going up 3%, but Nifty used to go up only 1%. So now we are complete equilibrium, but still from 12,200 to 9,896 Nifty level, that is almost Nifty fell 30%, but Bank Nifty fell almost uh, like 50%. So it is almost 35%. Nifty only down almost 25% from all time high. And before trading tomorrow, I want to tell you one thing. The trend for tomorrow is depends on derivative data. I will show you what will happen tomorrow. So if you are a trader, please follow my Telegram channel so that I will update you the intraday trading levels for the Nifty. So tomorrow Nifty has a stronger resistance. So this is the open interest for the uh, next week open interest. So next week expiry, this week expiry completed today. Next week expiry, we have a stronger call rating seen at 10,050 level, 9,950, 9,850. So first resistance is 9,850 tomorrow. If it breaks 9,950 is the second resistance, and support is 9,750. We have seen bigger support. So tomorrow market will open at almost 9,900. So we will sell if market goes to 9,950 first, then we will sell 10,000 levels. So 100 points bounce will be very good to sell for option sellers. But if you are an option buyer, wait. And if you are a buyer means call side anyway, okay, wait till market till 9,850 level is a good support. If it breaks, then we will see the bigger support at 9,750. So I'm still giving 100 points upside downside. This is not a trading level. So as a trader, we have to time the market. Time the market means 100 points movement will be there anyway in every day in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So how do you time it? When option trading it 100 rupees, if you buy for 100 and it fell back to 95, for 75 quantity you already get 1000 rupees, almost 700 to 750 loss. So how do you will fear to trade that you are losing money. So if you trade based on the support and resistance, very good. If you buy calls at support, that would be rewarding. If you buy puts at resistance, that would give very good rewards. So timing the market is a skill for traders we have to learn. And then Bank Nifty resistance is coming at almost very good resistance at 20,600 now, because if you see call rating is heavy in 20,800, 20,500, 600 also. So we have a bigger support at 20,400 and 20,000 we have a very psychological support. So I don't think so market will soon tomorrow only come to 20,000, but tomorrow we may swing between 20,800 and 20,400, 400 points level. If any bigger fall comes in US markets or global markets 10% like that, okay, we may break 20,000 also. But if US markets still trend bulls trend intact, then if US markets continuously going up today also, then we may see again 10,000 levels tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But I don't think so global markets start had a V-shaped recovery. Like global markets means Nasdaq, almost Nasdaq and Dow Jones from 29,000 to fell to 18,000 levels, and from 18,000 level to it recovered to 20,000, 27,000. So today it is at 26,000 at. So what I am watching as a trader is, if you global markets not able to recover, we have to be very cautious on the long side. I have been warning in my YouTube channel videos in last 1 week. I have making Nifty Bank Nifty levels. So if you are a trader, try to trade only index levels. So if you follow my Telegram channel, I am giving free calls for the Telegram, and we have also premium group clients. We will give 100% sure shot calls every month. If we give 15 calls, at least 12 to 13 calls will give hit target, and two to maybe one or two calls get fail. So that's why our clients make very good profits. So I have been posting my client profits also continuously. So if I'm talking very fast, this is the nature of the mindset of the trader. You have to catch up with the trader's mindset. If you're a beginner in the stock market, it will take years to learn. You have to learn macro indicators, micro indicators. Macro indicators means GDP, world economic growth, world global market sentiment, lot of indicators like industrials, which sectors are falling, which sectors are going up. So this is the basic understanding of the stock market. So Hope you like this video about stock market, and if you are very new to stock market, you can post your queries. I have been sharing my WhatsApp number in my Telegram channel, and you can join our premium group if you want sure short tips. If you know just buy and sell, you can follow our tips so to make money. So if you are very new to stock market, I will advise to be cautious. Don't trade without any knowledge in the stock market. It's like a driving car without learning driving. And I'm not even compare I don't even compare the driving a car with the stock market. Actually, I will compare stock market trading is, I will compare with the pilot of aeroplane. So if you have to drive the aeroplane, how many years you have to spend to learn aeroplane? At least 3 to 4 years course you have to do, an engineering course. Then you have to go for the pilot training. Then you have to go for the you have to spend almost some 10,000 hours or 5,000 hours of qualified flight training. Then only you will get a job as a pilot. Till that you will not called as a pilot. In same trading also, you have to know global market indicators, technical indicators, mathematical valuations of the stock market. Valuation means which stock is overvalued, which stock is undervalued, and which sectors are performing right now across the world. So all these things you have to learn as a trader. If you just know that technical indicators, that candle, this candle, red candle, blue candle, and some patterns, that will not work out. Actually, it will you will be continuously losing in the stock market. You won't get money. So this is my advice for the new traders. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel again. Thanks.